Daplin! Nay, kalau rin dito na. Dapat ko. Ada yang disinfect dah. Oh, good. Layak niya sa sakit ng atang baboy. Hindi naman sana na.
Ano, isod doy. Doy, isod. Isod ya. Bali dito eh.
Ito sa layo pag.
Tunga, ang wala ko kaning diri kata dito ba. Sakto dito maon lagi. Saan?
Sabi ba?
Ikaw diba?
Saan dito?
Sabay! Sindig ba ko ba? Ano ka? Abot ko pala yung puto.
Doy, pugi ko doy.
Da!
Pagi rin. Alay kang gunit doy. Saka may grow ba?
Yeah! Anak! Kung di ka na ako may wakang ano marka. Yeah, lagad!
So doy.
Baugon siya, o ano? Baugon siya, o...
Kito bawgon man na siya.
Ano ba?
Oh, bawgon man na siya.
Baga rin.
Asa ka kaya?
Ikon mo.
10 commandments.
Okay na?
Ay, ubusan na dito.
Ilan ka na ba to?
Okay na? Tigta ka talaga alambriya!
Yan naman siyang baga. Sunod sa akong kamot. Na, kita.
Oh, ah. Pre! Ditambok mo ka, bravo niya, pre!
Kung nagsusunod ako rin dahil sa mong babuyan nga, di babuhat. Maraming cocktail. Sure the cocktail. Muna na ang cocktail na akong gilahit na sakit. So, muna na ang tubig para sa ilang inunon. Dali-dali. Basta ko ha. Pero ang tubig. Ari ang tubig na. Ari na siya, mga gintre sa luyo. Sa luyo. Tapos ari na. House, dire. Ano yung house? Yeah. Ari na siya, mo yun ang mga bakter. Dire. Sino yun? Markin nila. Sino yun? BJ Meda. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for the pigs. Thank you for sunshine. Sino yun? Markin nila. Sino yun? BJ Meda. Thank you for all your support. And thank you for the pigs you gave to us. And we all appreciate that. See you next time. Kamsahamnida. Annyeonghaseyo.
왜 안 봤지? 그래도 빨리 갔다 온대.
빨리 갔다 왔다고. 나 엄마보다 더 늦게 걸었어. 천천히 걸었어. So, how's the baboy?
One is sick.
아? 왜?
I don't know. That's why we just check and then I just called the technician.
Separated? Oh, it was okay when you transfer. Hello, hello. The technician will be here today? Okay, the others?
Hey, what you gonna do with the Wina?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to ask you.
Already start January.
I think better just let her transfer January. Anyway, we have to really move out from there. So once we move out, it's big problem. If she has no boarding house, so better just before started, just let her move in ba. Pay the deposit na.
Okay.
Did you check last night? They're okay last night for sleeping.
Okay.
Just make sure the technician come to check today.
Already just waiting for him. Oh, Wina is here. You talk with Wina.
Hello!
Oh, Nana.
Mayong hapon! Huh? About your grades ba? Yeah.
Yeah.
Very happy to hear that.
Yeah.
Good job, good job.
Hi.
My mom.
Hi.
About the boarding house ba? What she said, your friend?
She asked earlier but if we gonna push because the owner also messaged her because someone also inquired in the room ba. I was about to chat you.
While ago, Kuya and I talk also, just reserve that one first because
Yeah.
once you already start the semester, you already busy with the school and then maybe you're not available to transfer the things.
Yeah. Also, I also think of that ba because I think our class will start mid-January or after sinulog ba the class. So that's why it's really hassle if I'm gonna find some
Yeah.
room if it's already taken na.
Just let Kuya pay the deposit, then
Yeah.
you just talk with the Kuya, the schedule ba?
Okay. I'll just ask for the number for the GCash no na ba so I'll tell Kuya. Sige.
See you, Amping.
Yun na amping.
Can you give the others who's in there?
BJ! Oy.
Anyong ma.
Well, you're very busy this day. Finish the school project?
Not yet, ma'am. The immersion, ma'am. Coming, ma'am. Very busy, ma'am.
Still busy? I was looking forward the video by you take with the baboy.
Sorry, ma'am. Because busy of school, ma'am.
No need to sorry. The school project is more important. You know, this time is last semester for you, no? You and Paul
Yes, ma'am.
really maintain the grades and then no skipping for the project or something for the school.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
That's still going to basketball every day?
No, ma'am. Sometimes na lang, ma'am. Very busy, ma'am.
Just work out?
No,
During the vacation, no school project for you?
No.
And when you go back to school, also after
Five.
Sinulog?
January 5.
January 5?
Oh.
Very early. Just help Ate Willie to take care of the pig, huh? Always notice them. Yan. Last time you take the video ba? It's a very good. Thank you.
Welcome na.
Next time, you just raise your voice ba? That time, your voice it's like a whispering. If make a voice higher, it will be good. Okay? Yan also busy with the school project during the vacation?
No,
No.
Mm.
Ingat. Doon na ba? Hanggang batik now.
Hi, Wangi. How's your school?
Okay ra.
Still busy during the vacation?
Oh, the making caption.
How about the cell phone ba? You bought new SIM card? I mean memory card?
No, not yet.
Ay, Kuya told you just try the new
Oh,
memory first.
but also, Papa also told me ba to, he's gonna buy another one, another phone ba. He won't let me sell the phone that you gave, man.
Just try the new memory first, and then I just try to check in here second hand also. Back to school next week?
I don't know, maybe the second week. We also have the tour ba, January.
Baguio tour?
Baguio, and also the training, the last, it's on January, but not exact date.
So you won't join any event or practice for the Sinulog ba?
I was lang accepted ba, but it's too busy, oy.
Yeah,
The
you're
school
too
and
busy,
the
and then
training.
tour and then training. You might be really kapoy or be careful. Be careful with don't make yourself too much kapoy, and then adjust the schedule properly ba.
King! Oy, tabi nun na. Nun na.
Hi Marky.
Hi, ma'am.
What are you eating?
Charon.
How about your school? The damage before from the earthquake, it's already fixed, na? No problem. Back to school. When you gonna back to school? New semester.
January 5.
All the high school in Katmon. You get the grades December when you have a school vacation.
Not yet.
So you don't know if you're gonna get academic scholarship or not.
Not yet.
I'm waiting for the good news from you, huh? With your grades. Okay. Sige, just check the baboy properly, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Paul is not there?
What's the day, boy? No.
Sige, next time. Amping.
Amping, ma'am.
어떡해. 한 마리가 벌써 시원찮대요.
근데 그거를 그래 약 먹이는 거 없나? 여는
그 집집마다 돌아다니면서 주사도 놔주고 교배도 시켜주고 하는 그런 기술자가 있거든. 그 사람 지금 불러놨대. 그렇게.
그거 또 자리 인계만 또 그런 수가 있고.
그러니까.
그래 이제 그럴 때 퍼뜩 다독거리면 또 괜찮지.
그렇지. 빨리 알게 되면은.
그래. 사람들도 딴 데가 물 먹고 땀물 먹으면 또 그런 수가 있고.
그럼 하루아침에 딱 그러네. 그 옮기다가 스트레스 받았거나 뭐 그래서 그런가?
그렇지.
예민한 그런 거거든. 작년에 거기 지진 나갖고 학교가 많이 쉬었거든. 그래놨더니 그 수업 일수가 모자라니까 이번 방학이 되게 짧네. 다음 주부터 바로 학교 가네. 1, 2, 3, 4.
학교 가고 나면은 나중에 혼자 좀 그렇겠다.
라젠 혼자 라젠도 이제 와야지 다음 주 되면. 다음 주 되면 라젠 오고 이제 해놓고 내가 가야지 이제. 내가 가서 키워야지. 돼지들아 조금만 기다려라. 내가 간다.
돼지 왕손.
돼지 엄마, 돼지 엄마.
돼지 엄마 맞다.